Welcome to the BFI London Film Festival 2019. We're here on the red carpet for The Aeronauts, Amazon's new adventure film starring Redmayne and Felicity Jones as pioneering balloonists. We'll be talking to the lead cast and crew about science, adventure and British film. Why is this story so important today?
Well, first of all, I love films where you leave the theater feeling better than you did when you walked into the theater. That's not to say why it's important today or not today, but I think personally for me, I like something that makes you feel good.
What inspired me about the story was the fact that these early aeronauts took such risks and went to such extreme lengths in order to expand our knowledge of the world, I suppose. And I think that's particularly relevant today because, one of the things they discovered was that, they didn't know what was above us, and they discovered that the atmosphere runs out. Breathable atmosphere stops about 7 miles high. So all life as we know it is contained within this 7 mile high band of air, and it is precious. And there's never realised that more than perhaps we do today with the challenges we face in global warming and climate change.
I think there's always something inspiring about people risking their lives for the benefit of humankind. So that to me that's what gives it its scale and its attraction. You just kind of think, wow, none of us would be anywhere without people risking their necks, and that's exactly what they do in this film.
Obviously, there was protests today about weather and climate change, and here we are in the rain, and not to be too political about things, but we're talking about the very beginnings of meteorology, the very beginnings of weather prediction. So there's obviously an extraordinary amount of discussion about that in the news today. In 1862, it was applicable to science. In 2019, it's applicable to science. In the middle of that's an adventure that I think people will enjoy as a film.
Could you tell us a bit about the decision to replace balloonist Henry Coxwell with Felicity Jones's character?
Well, the whole film is based on an amalgam of stories anyway, so, within the story there we draw from many different balloon flights. And the real balloon flight was these two men, and they didn't really speak to each other because they were so busy taking measurements. So whilst it did an amazing thing, it wasn't particularly dramatic. So it's like, who was, out of all the aeronauts that we read about, who would be the most interesting person to put in that basket with James Glacier? And so that's why we did it.
And just one final question, how does it feel to be at London Film Festival and to contribute to British film?
Oh, wonderful. I love the London Film Festival, and as a British filmmaker, it's kind of key in the kind of the calendar, and just being able to come from home and have my family, my little boys are here somewhere, it's pretty wonderful.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. You can catch The Aeronauts in cinemas and on Amazon Prime in December. And we'll have more content from the London Film Festival coming your way here at Style.